Hello trader. So this video is about how to find proper rejection and what is proper rejection. I got so many requests from the traders that they wanted a separate video on the same topic, and so here I am with the same topic and will explain everything that you need to understand in order to understand what is proper rejection. So I got so many questions, so many queries from the traders who ask me always what is the criteria, what are the criteria to find a proper rejection. But the thing they lack is because they never ask me why rejection. Why we are using rejection? There must be some reason why we are using rejection. Otherwise, it will be of no use for us if there is no reason. So, in order to find what is proper rejection, you need to understand first why rejection. So, this video will explain you why we are using rejection, and then it will be clear for you to understand what is proper rejection. So, let's start. So, I will explain you why we are using rejection and what is the importance. So, suppose, okay, let me make a level first. As you can see, this is a support area. This is a support area. So what we expect from a support area, we expect from a support area that the market will hit a support area and will go again up, because this is a buyer's area. A support is a buyer's area and a resistance is a seller's area. This is a support, so this will be a buyer's area. It means as soon as the market hit the level, the buyers who are waiting here will enter in the market and will make the market move go up. So this is for a bigger time frame. So the confirmation works on a smaller time frame. So suppose this is a support for us and the market starts to go up. So what we will expect from the market if the market starts to come down? We will wait, the traders will wait here on this support level so that the market hit the level and they can able to place their trade. So how it worked? Suppose the market goes down, it again goes down and it touched the last level, and as soon as it touched, it got a rejection. You can see this is a small wick. This is a sign of reversal. But why we are using it? Because this small wick shows the entry of the seller. If I change 1 minute chart to 5-second chart, you will be you can able to see it clearly. As soon as the market comes near to this level, the small green candle, the formation of green candle starts to show up. It shows the entry of the buyers in the market, because this is what is rejection. It is a confirmation that the buyers entered in the market and the possibility of the next candle to go green are higher. If suppose if you didn't have any rejection, if suppose this is the red candle and this also a red candle and the next candle are red, and still you are placing your trade, then the chances of your loss will be high because you didn't have any entry of the buyers. But if you have a rejection, it shows that small green candles are starts to form or buyers are started to enter in the market. This is why rejection is important, because it shows the entry of the buyers or entry of the sellers in the market, and it makes us sure that the next candle will be a green candle for this support level. And if we have a rejection, we can place a trade, and that is why a rejection is an important thing, because it shows the entry of the buyers or seller in the market. Let me give one more example. Suppose this is our resistance. So this is a resistance. It means this is a seller's area. So what we will expect from the market to behave near this area, that if the market starts to go up and if it hit the level, if it hit the resistance level, the sellers will enter in the market and will make the market to move again down. So what we will do, You can see it goes up, it touched the market, and in this candle you cannot see rejection, but maybe there are if we are seeing this candle on a live chart, that maybe there will be a rejection. So let me change it to 5-second chart. So as you can see, as soon as the market hit the level, there is a very small candle. It is negligible, the market didn't move here, and the next 5 second the market goes down, the next 5 second market goes down. It shows the sellers entered in the market, the number of sellers are higher, the power of the sellers are high, and it makes us confirm that the next candle can be a red candle, and that is why rejection is important. So I think I have made it clear that what is proper why we are using rejection, why it is necessary to have a rejection. So now I will give some example on live chart to find proper rejection. So the basic definition is we need a entry of the buyers or seller in order to make us sure that we are going on the right direction. That is the main important thing you need to understand. There are no criteria that the market should move suddenly or very it should travel very large distance in short time. Though no, this is not our main aim. We need to have some buyers or sellers in the market so that we can. Suppose this is a, you can see this was a rejection. I didn't paid attention, but I forgot to show. This was a support. Okay, it was a support, and the market hit this level. You can see the market hit the level, and as soon as it hit, you found a green candle. If you I'm showing it on 5-second chart, that's why you can see it on the chart, but if I make it 1-minute chart, you will find a sudden pullback of the market, and that is what is rejection. There is no proper criteria, there is no certain condition that will make your rejection a proper rejection. You need to find entry of the buyers or sellers. It if you have it is a matter of common sense, I can say. So the main thing is you need to have entry of buyers or entry of sellers in the market, and that is what we needed. If you have these conditions, if you have a good support or good resistance, you will instantly find a rejection. And I'm sure you can see this was a tested support level before, and as soon as the market hit the level, it got rejection. It gets rejection and it goes again up. It was an uptrend. You can see the smaller trend for the last like 30 minutes. It was an uptrend and it was a support, and as soon as it hit the market gives a rejection, and the rejection is this sudden pullback and the market moves up. Let me change to different chart and let me show to one more chart. This is totally a downtrend, so we can use this level for a so this is a resistance for us. This is a resistance, it means this is a seller's area. So what we will expect the market will go up, and as soon as it hit the market, you need to find a rejection. A rejection means involvement of sellers. Involvement of sellers means sudden pullback of market. But you need to understand one more thing. Only paying proper attention to the rejection will not make you win. You need to analyze the market as well. What are the conditions, if the last candle is strong enough or not, if the last candle is weak or not. So as you can see, this is a kind of weak candle, so we can expect the market, if the market hit the level, and if you can see this was a rejection, but it was very sudden. Sometimes in this condition we all faced late entries, and that is why sometimes you have to leave some opportunities as well. You need to find rejection, but always try to make sure that you didn't face any late entries at all. As you can see, it was a rejection. Let me go to 5-second chart to show it. You can see it was very big candle. It was a sudden pullback. This is what is called sudden pullback. This is the strength of the sellers. The strength of the sellers means the entry of the sellers, which makes the market to move. And you can see the candle closes as red. So this is what is rejection. There are no certain rules that will make you to follow, and you will gonna find the best rejection in your life. Oh no, it's not gonna happen. You need to pay some common sense, some attention to the concept. You need to ask why. If you are losing or if you are winning, you always try to ask yourself why you win or why you lose. If you start asking questions to yourself, you will find the answer easily. So always try to ask yourself. It helped me a lot. I learned everything by myself. I always try to ask whenever I lose, whenever I win, that why I win, why this is important. And if you do the same, you will see some more improvement in your trading as well. So I think I have made it clear. Or still, if you didn't understand, then you need to have some more practice. You need to apply some more concentration on the trading. And if you can comment as well, I will try to reply as soon as possible. So I will finish this video here, and will hope to get 1000 like and 500 comments as always. So till then, keep trading, keep ITM. Good day.